joyfully riding a yellow toy car. Mother cat and kitten happily in a car. A cute white kitten joyfully waving sitting in a car. A white cat holding a bottle of water next to a vending machine. A white kitten happily holding the steering wheel of a car. Car burning rubber on railway tracks, creating a cloud of smoke. A white kitten looking surprised while driving a car. Dramatic collision, car and train with an explosion, debris. A mother cat looking shocked, standing on tracks in front. Kitten unconscious in car with shattered glass and blood stains. A crying white cat kneeling on train tracks holding her kitten. A crying white cat carrying an injured kitten in front of hospital. The nurse and doctor saying is no. Open the hospital. White cat standing with a shovel in rainforest. A crying white cat kneeling in front of a small grave. A sad white cat holding a picture of a smiling her kitten. A black cat proposing to a white cat. A white cat looks surprised saying sorry. Beach bubble. A white cat standing in a dimly lit alley at night. Injured white cat angel on the ground in urban setting at night. White cat wrap bandages being gently by white cat. Angelic white cat showing angel gratitude hand on its chest. An amusement park sunset with a sign. A few months later. A white cat angel smiling brightly in an amusement park. A white girl cat reaching out toward butterflies at a lit up. Fierce-looking black cat teeth at an amusement park. A white cat couple with shocked expression at an amusement park. A crying black cat holding a gun with fireworks in the background. A white cat with tears, eyes clutching its bleeding chest. A black cat pointing a gun to its head. White cat cradling a bloody white girl cat. A white cat angel holding a delicate feather under the sunlight. A white cat angel holding a delicate feather under the sunlight. Blood-stained angel surrounded by white tile floor. White girl cat surrounded by glowing a magical amusement park. A white girl cat surrounded by glowing magical amusement park. A white cat in pajamas happily holding a gold bar. A black cat holding a large stack at the front door. A A menacing black cat with a gun entering a house. A black cat fired a gun at a white cat in pajamas. A black cat howled running away with a gold bar. A daughter cat looked shocked after opening the front door. A daughter cat looked shocked after opening the front door. A black cat holds a gold bar while smiling on a TV screen. A daughter cat bares teeth and screams angrily. Long line of people waiting outside an auction on a foggy morning. A daughter cat stands confidently in front of an auction house. Bidders raise their auction, various high prices displayed. A black cat energetic gavel at an auction. A black cat excited an auction. A black and white shake hands while exchanging briefcases full of cash. A black cat holds a closed briefcase, looking happy. Briefcase full of dynamite with a chick inside a car. A car in the middle of a city with money scattered all around. Gravestone in a cemetery bar lying in front. Daughter cat crying while missing her father. A sad white cat alone on a rainy city street at night. A sad white cat with an empty beer bottle holding a glass of beer. The father cat's on a couch while a kitten sits beside it. Kitten spreading on a slice of in a cozy kitchen. Tired white cat relaxing on a couch under a cozy blanket. A shocked white driving a car filled with beer bottles. I can't believe I drank this much cheap for driving. Father cat drive with the kitten in yellow overalls in the back seat. Father cat drive with the kitten in the back seat. Father cat in a car crash covered in and looking shocked. Father cat looking shocked after a car accident. Father cat holding unconscious kitten in the backseat of a car. Father cat crying holding a kitten on after car accident. Team of doctors performing in an operating room. Father cat sitting on the floor of a hospital corridor. A distressed father running down a hospital corridor. Father cat with tear sitting at table with bread and bottle of liquor. The father cat is water dripping from its fur. Father holding the hand of a kitten lying in a hospital bed. Father cat shakes hands with a collie in a bright office. cat happily walking out of a hospital. A father cat happily shopping in the mall. A father cat smiling while riding a carousel.
The dishes pile up, left unwashed. The kitten gives a thumbs up, ready to tackle the chores. The kitten sits quietly, waiting for someone to return. The kitten leaves the house, leaving unfinished chores. The kitten plays soccer in the backyard. The kitten enjoys a game of soccer full of energy. An ice cream truck arrives in the neighborhood. The kittens enjoy their ice cream treat. The kittens go fishing in the field. A kitten catches a big fish with excitement. The kitten looks worried while checking the phone. An important call from Mom comes in. The kitten tries to outrun its fears on the road home. The mother cat scolds for neglecting its chores. The kitten is devastated and can't hold back tears. The kitten sadly returns to the kitchen to clean up. The cozy cabin decorated for a special birthday celebration. The kitten eagerly tries to friend to share the happiness. The friend kitten being scolded by mother is too upset to answer. The friend kitten sits alone and feeling overwhelmed by the situation.
The cat and face each other in the ring. The cat delivers a fierce kick, striking the hyena. The beautiful cat achieves a boxing victory. The hyena. The hyena. Its defeat in the bathroom. Wow, morning so jogging. Refreshing. Oh no, I do what should these kittens? Look at all these kittens. They're so cute. Hyena must take revenge. 3 weeks later, the hyena will carry his revenge plan. The cat will become stronger. Please accept me as your disciple. The cat and hyena face each other again in the ring. The cat delivers a fierce kick, striking the hyena. The cat achieves boxing victory. The hyena. The hyena watches from afar, concealing his true intentions. The hyena will carry his revenge plan. The hyena cooking the deadly stew. The next morning, the cat goes grocery shopping for the kittens. Hyena arrives with food, hiding its deadly intentions. The hyena feeds the kittens with a sinister grin. The cat is shocked to see something unexpected. The cat cries as she holds an injured kitten. The cat anger turns into a powerful force of revenge. The confrontation begins. The cat's eyes blaze with fury. The cat lands a powerful blow, leaving the hyena reeling. The cat brandishes the poison intended for the hyena. The hyena succumbs to the poison, writhing in agony. At the funeral, Cat mourns the loss of her loved ones.